Hi everybody, my name is TJ Smith. I'm the president of EAW and we're here today at InfoComm 2023 in Barcelona, and I want to introduce you to a new EAW product called the MKC range. MKC, C stands for Concentric, so every loudspeaker I talk about today is biamp and it is concentric. So this one here is a 5-inch woofer with a 1-inch dome tweeter in the center. Moving over here to the MKC 60, that is a 6-inch woofer with yet again another 1-inch dome tweeter in the center of that. And we have the MKC 80 here, an 8-inch. Now this is with a compression driver and our patented CSA aperture waveguide on that. So that's really combining both band passes seamlessly in the far field. And then finally we have the MKC 12, that's a 12-inch with that same CSA aperture waveguide on it, sitting on top of the dual 10-inch SB210 subwoofer, fit to get tucked into nice concealed places. I do want to point out as well, the MKC 80 and 120 come with a dual angle pull cup as well as an integrated handle for portable use. If you have any questions about MKC or any other EAW product, head on over to our website, eaw.com, go to the upper right, click on Find My Rep, and you can find your rep wherever you are in the world.